Hi, this is IK. Welcome to reconciliation. Reconciliation.
Reconciliation. Reconciliation.
Reconciliation. Reconciliation. Look at what mean reconciliation. Or here is the process of making two opposite beliefs, ideas, or situations agree. It took hours of negotiations to bring about reconciliation between the two sides. A situation in which two people or groups of people became friendly again after they have argued. A reconciliation is very, very important word for React. React is based on reconciliation. Let's go here. Here is declared. We declared for state. Posts, show edit form, update ID is loading. We call this kind of assignment, we call destructured assignment. Destructured assignment. It is when we declare two name. Here is a two name. We declare array with the two name. Variable, one is variable and one is a function. And equal a use state. And use state, there is only one parameter. It is initial state of a post. Initial state of post. And I thinking about use state. We can use as many we want use state. Look at with the initial value what we want for concretely state. And I thinking about that hook, that use state. It is a function what give us posts and set post function, and that is function what give us that state and function what can create new state. Create new state. It is mutation by immutable way. How it is go here? Set post create new post. Don't touch old post. How it is possible? It is possible because React there is three document object model. First is index.html, and it is what we see with page source. We always see index.html with page source. And second document object model, it is in memory, place in memory three document object model. Second document object model is what we see on the screen. Again, first document object model is index.html. What we see view page source. Always see it in, because of that we call this kind of application we call single page application, because in page source we always see single page. And what we see on the screen, it is actually document object model. And there is a place in memory actually document object model. We can see that document object model in F12, with F12 getting a developer's view, and elements. For the elements we can see complete that document object model, that HTML web page. What we see on the screen, document object model, actually document object model. But a process what happened here during our interaction with the application, we have a state, and after look at post initial state of post is initial state. Here is initial state is empty array, but look at after get data from server, and after this statement set post, and in parentheses we have a parameter is post. This moment, after this, our state, not empty array, but full of post array with some members in it. And what now React activate? In this moment, on the screen, we have empty array. But in virtual document object model, and it is third document object model, virtually document object model. Virtually document object model is this moment in virtual document object model. This moment we have post full of members, not empty. But in actually what is on the screen is empty. And this moment React call reconciliation. Reconciliation. Here it is.
Reconciliation.
Reconciliation. Reconciliation. In this moment we have reconciliation, and it is a negotiation between actually document object model and virtually document object model. The result of that negotiation is reconciliation, process reconciliation, and on the screen we will see would be rendered only component in which data changed. And we have a new rendered of component, but we don't touch empty array with our full array. No, we React reconciliation, activate reconciliation. It is some compare between actually and virtually document object model. And if they didn't same, start process of re-rendering only component where data not same, where state is changed. Only that part or only that component would start re-rendering. It means there is a two state in virtual and document object model and in the actual, and when it is the same, there is no rendering any component, And when virtual changes like this is creation in virtual creation, creation a new state post, a new state post. In that moment became different actually document object model and virtually document object model. And that component in which state is changed would be rendered.